Calling all tech inventors, the Technology Innovation Agency is looking to help startups. The agency bridges the gap between research and development by providing support. This includes helping entrepreneurs grow small, medium and micro enterprises and helping startups become viable, investment-ready businesses. For more information, I'm joined by the agency's acting executive, Tandokazi Nquma-Moyo. Thank you very much for speaking to us this afternoon. So we want to speak specifically about the Global Clean Tech Innovation Program. What is the purpose of this program in South Africa?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon to you and to the viewers. So really the purpose of the Global Clean Tech Innovation Program is to help to accelerate inventors and innovators in the clean energy and clean environmental space. And it really goes in unison with our mandate, which is to assist innovators with developing technologies, but not only just give them money financially, but also provide non-financial support as a fiduciary support or a mechanism where we're able to say, we've given you the money, how then are we able to assist you to get these technologies to the market? And really, it helps with a lot of mentorship, a lot of business plan support, a lot of exposure to other funders around the world and also locally in the country, and also connecting them to the customers, because our mandate is just really to support them to get to minimum viable products, but we also need other partners to take them further down the road, and they have a really sellable products to the global market.
So what kinds of innovation areas are you focusing on?
So broadly as TIA, we focus on different sectors, and we focus on health, on ICT, on manufacturing, on indigenous knowledge systems. We focus on energy. So we look at all the various technology-based sectors, but we're not really locked up in only those sectors. We also look at any area where there's technology that needs to enable that industry to modernize or to optimize, also to build new industries as well. But specifically for the Global Clean Tech Innovation Program, we're really looking at technologies that are able to assist us with, reducing toxic impact to the environment, assist us in being a much more cleaner society, which sometimes could lead to more affordable, maybe electricity and access to fuel and related technologies.
So the program has been looking at a number of entries, and you've narrowed it down to, I believe, 20 finalists. Tell us about who's made the cut so far.
So we've got several applicants that have made it to the final stage, and these are relatively a lot of black inventors, and we'll be announcing the winners on the 26th of March. They're really in different areas. Some in energy, so we've got, maybe, do you need me to list the whole
No, I'm just trying to get a sense for what kind of small, medium enterprises have been sort of included in that batch of finalists, so we can get a sense of what kind of innovation is taking place.
All right, so these are really areas in the biotech, inventors in the biotech space. These are inventors in the clean energy space, where we're talking about biofuels, where we're talking about solar energy. These are also inventors in the waste management space, where we're talking about really your typical of how do we help municipalities to be able to quickly collect refuse and recycle that into usable products, and also products that could be used as municipal waste that could be used to convert waste into electricity.
And when will the awards gala dinner be held, and what's the prize to help winners advance their small and medium enterprises?
So these young entrepreneurs have really been on this 12-month program, and the prize ceremony, the gala dinner, will be really on the 26th of March, quite intimate, because it will be really looking at COVID-19 regulations, considering those, and the price that we're looking at is between 150,000 and 200,000. That is in rands. But there's also non-financial prize where these winners, two of them, will be exposed to a global platform to compete with other global innovators in the clean tech space. And that money, they will use it towards further developing or even growing their companies. But also the exposure to international platforms will help them to connect in the global community. But that also fits in quite well in our mandate, in that we don't only want to see the economy or rather them commercializing only locally, but we want to deal with the trade deficit, which is one of the things that TIO was established for, to try and really reduce our import and grow our export revenue. And that exposure is really trying to push us towards that mandate. And the nice thing is this global platform, although there isn't really money that is given to them, but they are facilitated to meet with global experts and underfunders. Last year, South Africa won 3 out of the 5 that were in the top 5 in the global platform last year.
Well, thank you very much for speaking to us. That was Tandokazi Nquma-Moyo, Executive at Technology Innovation Agency.